From one of the most common spices found in kitchens around the world, garlic has risen from humble beginnings to become a powerful superfood, driving a multi-billion-dollar global industry. But how exactly do millions of tons of garlic make their way from fertile fields to your kitchen table? The story begins in vast sun-soaked fields where row after row of garlic plants patiently mature under the care of dedicated farmers and advanced agricultural techniques. Once the bulbs reach maturity, they are swiftly harvested and sent to modern processing facilities where technology and human expertise work in perfect sync to clean, peel, sort, and package garlic, not only for cooking but also for medicinal use, supplements, oils, and even cosmetics. Today, we're going deep into the world of garlic, uncovering every step of its journey from dirt to delivery. China stands as the undisputed giant of garlic production, supplying over 20 million tons annually and commanding more than 80% of the global market. Despite criticism over its labor practices, its dominance in sheer volume is unmatched. But garlic's story isn't just about numbers, it's about biology too. Garlic reproduces asexually, meaning every clove carries the exact genetic imprint of its ancestors from generations past. This genetic consistency preserves its distinctive qualities over centuries. Nutritionally, garlic is a powerhouse. It contains allicin, a potent compound that boosts immunity, wards off colds, and naturally repels harmful insects, reducing the need for pesticides. But preferences vary worldwide. For example, in the United States, consumers prefer pristine-looking cloves, a fact that helped Christopher Ranch thrive by focusing on premium quality, locally grown garlic to compete with cheaper imports. The garlic growing season typically begins in November when seed cloves are planted. Over the next 7 to 8 months, they mature until fields turn golden and leaves begin to dry, a sign harvest time has arrived. Farmers stop irrigation weeks before harvest to allow natural wilting, which helps in preserving flavor and texture. Specialized machinery carefully lifts bulbs from the soil, shakes off excess dirt, and sorts them with minimal damage. Premium-grade garlic destined for high-end markets is often hand-harvested to ensure perfect appearance. After harvest, garlic is laid in neat rows with overlapping leaves to shade bulbs from harsh sunlight. This curing process, lasting 5 to 10 days, tightens the skin, enhances aroma, and ensures long-lasting storage. Timing is critical. Delay too long and bulbs split, lose moisture, and diminish in flavor. From the fields, truckloads of garlic head to processing plants. Forklifts unload crates into warehouses where the bulbs rest before entering the production line. Conveyor belts carry them through dirt-removing rollers, size-sorting screens, and careful manual inspections by skilled workers capable of assessing hundreds of thousands of pounds per day. Premium bulbs go to whole bulb packing lines where multi-tiered screens sort them into perfect size categories for packaging. Pre-peeled garlic products are also in high demand, especially in busy households. These start in peeling machines, followed by steam chambers that loosen skins. Air pressure systems remove the last layers without damaging the cloves, while optical sorters use light to detect defects. Garlic skins aren't wasted, they're repurposed as livestock feed. The peeled cloves are washed, dried, and packaged, ready to ship worldwide. Some cloves undergo further preparation, such as seasoning with olive oil, herbs, and spices before being roasted at precise temperatures. This roasting caramelizes natural sugars, transforming the flavor into a sweet, nutty richness. But garlic isn't alone in its global spice journey. Across the world, in the golden fields of Saskatchewan, Canada, vast mustard crops sway under the sun. Canada produces 40% of the world's mustard seed supply. Here, the bright yellow and white seeds go on to make French's mustard, known for its mild heat and sweetness, while darker seeds are destined for Dijon mustard with its refined, sharp taste. Harvesting mustard is a marvel of agricultural engineering. Massive combines sweep across fields, cutting and threshing plants to release seeds, while stalks are returned to the soil as mulch. The seeds undergo rigorous cleaning, sorting, and optical scanning to ensure only the best remain. Each type of mustard reflects the culinary identity of its region, from the simplicity of yellow mustard in North America to the sophistication of Dijon in France and the boldness of brown mustard in Indian cuisine. Both garlic and mustard tell stories that go far beyond the kitchen. They are tales of farming precision, cultural traditions, market demands, and technological innovation, all working together to bring extraordinary flavor to your plate. In the heart of India, with the bold and unmistakable character of mustard oil, the process starts with brown mustard seeds, fed into a heavy rotating press that works with relentless precision. Inside, immense pressure forces the seeds to surrender their treasures, separating them into two distinct parts. Our journey to uncover the mouth-watering secrets behind KFC tenders begins in the tranquil heart of a state-of-the-art poultry house in the United States. This isn't just any farm. It's one of the largest suppliers for KFC, a place where innovation and animal welfare go hand in hand. These modern farms are built with one goal in mind: to raise healthy chickens in a stress-free, spacious, and hygienic environment. Inside these barns, chickens roam freely, no cramped cages or harsh conditions. Automatic dispensers ensure they always have access to fresh water, keeping them hydrated and healthy. Everything from the lighting to airflow is meticulously managed to give these birds the best possible life. Why? Because happy chickens make for tastier, juicier tenders. When the chickens are ready for the next stage, a fascinating machine, something like a giant vacuum, but far more delicate, gently collects them. These machines are designed to avoid injury, stress, or panic. The chickens are carefully placed into crates that keep them calm and safe during transport to the processing plant. At the plant, care and precision continue. Skilled workers and conveyor systems take over, ensuring the chickens are treated humanely at every step. Before any further processing, they pass through a stunning machine that renders them unconscious quickly and painlessly, meeting high standards for animal welfare. Next comes the feather removal stage, where advanced machinery strips the chickens cleanly. The feet are separated, and internal organs are removed with surgical precision. Each chicken is then washed thoroughly using high-pressure water jets and held in pools that remove any remaining impurities. Hygiene and safety remain top priorities. Now begins the transformation from whole chicken to iconic KFC tenders. The breast portions, known for their tenderness and juiciness, are separated using specialized cutting machines. These machines remove the skin with roller pins and ensure every cut is perfectly clean and accurate. The selected breast pieces are then placed into rotating drum rollers. This isn't just about mixing, it's about enhancing the flavor and locking in moisture, resulting in that melt-in-your-mouth tenderness KFC is famous for. Next, the chicken moves to a sorting station, where experts manually inspect each piece. They're looking for perfection. Only the best cuts make it through. The pieces are then sprayed with a food-safe solution that eliminates harmful bacteria, keeping the chicken fresh and safe to eat. Now comes the step that brings flavor to life: the flour coating. This isn't just any flour, it's a special blend with no artificial ingredients. As the chicken is coated, it travels over vibrating belts to ensure even coverage and perfect shape. Then partial frying begins. This quick fry locks in juiciness and gives the tenders their iconic golden color and crispy texture. But this is only part of the story. Cheese cubes, another customer favorite, go through a similar journey. These snacks are dipped in batter, rolled in breadcrumbs, and passed through automated systems that ensure every cube is perfectly coated. Precision and consistency are the name of the game. Automation doesn't stop there. Burger patties are prepared with incredible efficiency, up to 150,000 a day, mixed, shaped, and packaged seamlessly. This process ensures each patty is delicious and consistent. What's a fast food meal without chicken nuggets? These nuggets are pre-fried to about 70%, giving them that perfect golden finish when you finally place your order. Every bite delivers a satisfying crunch, made possible by smart machines that still treat each piece with care. The story doesn't end with meat. Potatoes, destined to become wedges or mashed delights, arrive fresh at the factory. They're washed under powerful water streams, scrubbed gently with rotating brushes, and peeled using abrasive rollers. Next, the potatoes are cut into various shapes using specialized cutters, ensuring consistency in every wedge or slice. Some potatoes head for the mashed potato station. Here, they're boiled to perfection, then blended with butter and milk to create a creamy, dreamy texture. No shortcuts are taken. These mashed potatoes are smooth, flavorful, and irresistible. To maintain precision, even the mashed potatoes are portioned using calibrated nozzles that ensure each serving is identical. This kind of attention to detail reflects the overall approach from the farm to your plate. Every step is a careful balance of automation, quality control, and culinary excellence. One of the world's most iconic frozen pizza brands is on a mission to create the perfect slice: crispy, cheesy, and irresistibly mouthwatering. It all begins with soft industrial crushers and generously sprinkled over the dough. The result? A perfectly textured layer of melty, golden goodness. More cheese slices and toppings are added with surgical precision, followed by a mix of sauces to bring everything together.